So here's how to download presentation from Tome.Ai. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Tome.Ai account. Now here you have to select any template that you want to select from the templates section. Tome.Ai gives you various templates to select from. Here you have to select from any one of the given template, and once you have selected the given template, now you have to make changes on it according to you. Let's suppose here I'm going to select this template. Now I'm gonna click on it to view it and to make changes according to my needs, and here I will edit my details. Its interface is pretty simple and easy to use, just like Canva, and if you have experience working with Canva, then it's probably easy for you. All you need to do is you have to edit these details by clicking on them. Once you have edited your first slide, now you have to select your second slide and make changes on it. Now you have to select each of your slide and you have to make changes on it. Once you are done with changing, now here you have to click on these three dots, and once you click on these three dots, now it will give you the option to download it. To download the presentation, you have to click on the export to PDF option, and once you click on it, now it will start to download. So that's how to download presentation from Tome.Ai.